Hi friends, hope you are doing good. So here we are with another travel video and this time it is Srinagar. So before we get all started on this, thank you so much for the love and affection on our Gulmarg video. In case you haven't checked it out yet, please do check for the link below in the description box. And yeah, so let's get started. So we left Gulmarg at around 11 in the morning and it is almost 2 p.m. now that we have reached Srinagar. So we are here for a day and a half. I'm pretty excited, especially when you have read about a place, so much in history and it's always in news. And of course, we have seen Kashmir and Srinagar always in movies. So it's really very exciting to see this place through your own eyes and be here in person. So yay, we are all very excited and let's see what Srinagar has in store for us. So we have checked in into our hotel. We are put up at Four Seasons by Marriott and this is a quick tour of our room. So the plan is to freshen up, have a quick lunch and then we are all set to go to Dal Lake. Yes folks, so see you there. Oh, and here we get the first glimpse of the most famous Dal Lake. बहुत ही सुंदर नज़ारा है दोस्तों एंड दिस इज़ सो ब्यूटीफुल. अभी हम जा रहे हैं. वी विल गो फॉर ए शिकारा राइड एंड सो आई गेस आवर ड्राइवर भैया हैज़ गिवन अस सम टिप्स एज टू हाउ टू बार्गेन एंड हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट. And then you have this cute little shops, basically. I mean, what do you call them? Shop on the float probably. And they come by and they try to sell you some jewelry or some food items and all. And yeah, it's very interesting. I mean, the whole experience as such. एंड मेरे राइट साइड पे दोस्तों लाइन से बोट हाउसेस हैं. दीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी पॉपुलर. पीपल कम एंड प्रेफर टू स्टे इन दीज होटल्स. दीज आर बेसिकली होटल्स. यू कैन स्टे ओवर हियर इन द बोट हाउसेस. आई एम श्योर इसका एक्सपीरियंस ही अलग ही लेवल का होगा. एंड दिस इज़ द पॉपुलर वन, मिशन कश्मीर. आई थिंक द बुमरो गाना वॉज शॉट इन दिस बोट हाउस. या और ये दोस्तों मीना बाज़ार है. ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर मार्केट है श्रीनगर पे. यहाँ पे जब हम गए थे तब टूरिस्ट सीज़न वाज जस्ट ओपनिंग अप. दैट्स व्हाई यू डोंट सी दैट बिग अ क्राउड. बट दिस इज़ अ वेरी हैपनिंग प्लेस ओवर हियर. And so if you, I mean, every shop has their own boat or a shikara, and that's the mode of transportation, and that's how they keep hopping from one place to another. I mean, this just gives like a very Venice kind of a feeling, I think our very own Venice in India. तो हम यहाँ पे रुके थे एक चाय ब्रेक के लिए, थोड़ा बहुत नाश्ता पानी कर लिया यहाँ पे. And very interesting thing about this market, so you have all these tourist market as well, like shawls and all the souvenirs and such kind of things. But at the same time यहाँ पे local market है, medicine की दुकान है, vegetable market है. So it's a full-fledged market both for locals and tourists. It's a regular market but floating on a lake. सो बेसिकली दोस्तों, शिकारा राइड पे दे टेक यू टू डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स, 4 to 5 पॉइंट्स, जैसे मीना बाज़ार हो गया, फिर वो बोट हाउस थे जहाँ पे डिफरेंट मूवीज़ के शूटिंग हुए हैं. तो ऐसे पॉइंट्स पे लेके जाते हैं. अभी हम जा रहे हैं नेहरू पार्क. सो द प्लान इज़ विल टेक अ पिट स्टॉप ओवर हियर, और यहाँ से विल एन्जॉय द सनसेट इन डल लेक. एंड सो लेट्स सी. What do I say? I mean, this was one of the best evening of my life. Watching sunset in Dal Lake in Srinagar with my husband. What else can I ask for? It has been a long day for us, so calling it a day and see you tomorrow. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू डे 2. और अभी हम हैं चश्मे शाही मुगल गार्डन पे. दिस इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल मुगल गार्डन इन श्रीनगर. This is basically built around a freshwater spring, and it is in 3 different stages. So the origin of the fresh water, that is on the top notch stage, and then the water flows through a ramp, and then through the water fountain that you see. So let's explore this place. So this is the main source, the freshwater spring, and कहा जाता है कि this water has a lot of medicinal properties, and it seems it is also good for digestion. So a lot of people are having this water over here. And a quick tidbit that we heard, that even this water used to go to Delhi for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it seems, in those times. So yeah. नेक्स्ट दोस्तों हम गए परी महल. दिस इज़ अ लिटिल हायर अप इन द माउंटेन्स, एंड द व्यू फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस इज जस्ट टू डाई फॉर. यू just get to see the whole of Srinagar from a bird's eye view, the Dal Lake, the city, the Shikara, and just everything. I mean, just amazing views. So now we are headed to the airport. Yeah, and our flight is at around 6 p.m., guys. And so this is an end of a wonderful, wonderful trip. 2 nights in Gulmarg, 1 night in Srinagar, and what an amazing 4-day trip it has been. Do make your plans to come over here. Just fantastic place, fantastic people, and it is completely safe, guys. So nothing to worry, and in case you have any queries or anything, feel free to reach out to us. We can help you out with our experience. So thank you. See you soon with our next video.